Ang sarap yung nagawa ko ngayon. Look at that.
Honey, turn the light on when you need to. Ooh, puts my head way up in the clouds. Maybe it's just the way you're walking, but you got my heart all the way tucking. If you're gonna pick me up, don't let me down. Ooh, I can't stop running. Shawty, you got me running. Shawty, running and running. Honey, we learned to speak our secret language. Ooh, such a long time running wild. Maybe it's just the melody talking, but to tell you the truth, you're the one I want. You know I can't seem to get you out of my head. 'Cause ooh, I can't stop running. Shawty, you got me running. Shawty, running and running. Shawty, you got me running. Shawty, running and running.
Medyo nadamihan ko ata yung butter. I'll eat muna. Hi friends, after a few hours, it's currently 9:15. Oh my gosh, 9:15 na. Pero hindi pa rin ako tapos mag-edit. Supposedly, until 6 p.m. lang talaga dapat ako mag-edit for today and then we're gonna review na. Pero kasi medyo mahaba pala yung vlog natin for this week and na-target ko kasi talaga siyang matapos today. Kasi tomorrow, for sure daw makakapag-edit. Ipa-prioritize ko yung pagre-review. Kasi tomorrow is aalis ako. Meron kaming reunion ng mga pinsan ko. Pero hapon pa naman ako susunod doon. Kasi sabi ko nga, kailangan ko mag-review. Hindi ako makakapag-edit for sure. And I'm targeting also na i-upload siya by Sunday. I think hindi ko siya kakayanin ma-upload by Sunday, so baka Monday na lang. We'll see. Almost done na rin naman ako. I think mga konting ano na lang, konting clips na lang. Kaya talaga parang pinupush ko na matapos. Pero kasi, the thing is, masyado ko na na-push back yung pagre-review ko kasi nga lately, mas prioritize kong gumawa ng contents, especially on TikTok. Parang nakapag-upload yata ako ng content every day this week. Anyway, let's review na. For real.
You walked through my dreams just the other night. Oh, but the moment slipped away, and I don't know how to conjure up the afterlife and keep these old feelings nestled in place. And every little thing kills me. Every little thing, it's true, makes me wanna laugh about it. Hurts too much.
11:29 p.m. and we made it. I finished reading 4 subunits today and we're done with Unit 2. Finally! Alam niyo guys, kanina, medyo imposible para sa akin na matapos ko yung 4 subunits. Roughly 13 pages yung binasa ko kanina. Kapag nagsagot ako ng assessments, pwede ko pa namang balikan kung saan yung mga part na medyo hindi ko pa naiintindihan. So right now, nagpo-focus lang talaga ako sa pagbabasa. Nung college ako, especially during midterms, yung ginagawa ko kasi talaga is binabasa ko talaga lahat. Binabasa ko lang na binabasa, ng binabasa. And then, yung pinaka-review ko talaga is yung magsagot ng mga practice exams. Tapos, dun ko malalaman kung anong concepts or topics pa ako medyo mahina. Tapos, yun yung babalikan ko at mas aaralin ko. So, basically, yun lang din yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Okay, so now, ang gagawin ko na lang is ayusin yung schedule ko for tomorrow. Baka tatapusin ko na rin yung pag-edit ng vlog. Grabe, I feel very exhausted kahit wala naman akong work. Pero kasi like, I am reviewing and editing contents at the same time. Medyo napipiga talaga yung utak natin kahit hindi tayo nagwo-work. But yeah, I'm gonna do my thing na. And then I'll update you guys later if ano oras tayo natapos sa ating agenda for today. Today is Sunday, April 19, and it's currently 5:47 p.m. And we're gonna unbox this matcha set. Guys, Friday pa to dumating, and sobrang excited na ako i-unbox. So, na-unbox ko na siya, kahit hindi ko pa na-vlog. So, binalik ko ulit siya sa lalagyan para, ma-unbox natin siya together. Actually, matagal ko na talagang gustong bumili ng matcha set. Kasi parang nakakainganyo gumawa ng matcha pag may ganito ka. I know na hindi mo kailangan ng ganito kasi may mga ibang ways naman to make your matcha, but I want this one. Tada! Of course! Nagdadalawang isip ako kung anong kukunin ko, kung green ba or pink. But I like the combination ng green and pink kasi. So, since green yung matcha, and then pink yung matcha bowl ko, so I think nagko-complement sila. Pink yung kinuha ko. This is how it looks like. Kinuha ko na yung 5-piece para din ako mamroblema kasi meron na siyang ganito, yung holder, and then meron na rin siyang sifter, meron na rin siyang matcha scooper. Of course, meron na siyang ganito. I forgot kung anong tawag dito, pero ito yung pang-whisk. And yes, nagamit ko na ito, binalik ko lang sa box. Then, ito yung matcha powder natin for now. Tatry ko pa lang to guys. Anyway, I think ang kulang ko na lang is yung frother. Gusto kong bumili ng frother kasi gumawa ko ng sea salt cream and sobrang hassle i-whisk. So, ayun, I'm thinking if should I buy a frother para kompleto na. And alam niyo ba guys, medyo nababaliw ako sa mga Moroccan plates, kitchenwares lately. May dumaan na live sa TikTok ko. Tapos, napabili ako. Wait, kukunin ko para ma-share ko rin sa inyo. Oh my God, ang dami ko na palang na-collect. So, ito yun guys. Medyo mabigat siya, but these are all the kitchenwares na na-collect ko so far. Let's start with this one na nasa ibabaw. Sobrang cute! Please tell me na you agree. Kasi sobrang cute talaga. And sobrang bigat niya ha. So, I got this orange na may handle. 180 ko to nabili. And sobrang ganda ng quality, I swear guys. Diba? Sobrang cute! I also got this one. May handle din siya dito. Meron siyang tenga. Then, this one is red naman. Also, I got a ramen bowl. This one is not Moroccan, pero cute kasi ng design. Mga ceramic, pala to, kitchenware. So, binili na siya, black and white, and then polka dots. Cute din, diba? And then, I also got one pair of deep plates. So, this is how it looks like. Sunflower yung tawag nila dito. So, ito yung mga plates ko so far. And gusto ko pa ito dagdagan, honestly. Alam niyo guys, nare-realize ko yung mga linyahan ng mga trentahe. Naglalabas ng magandang plato pag may bisita. Ganun ako. And lastly, I call this one my breakfast plate. Pwede ka kasi maglagay ng mugs dito. Or bowl. And then, dito yung food. Cookies. Diba, nagbe-bake na tayo ng cookies. Pancakes, ganun. Yan, ang cute lang. Yun lang naman ang mga pinagkaabalahan ko this past few days. Sobrang cute talaga nito, grabe.
Today's agenda, but first I always forget. Pressing wheel and not smell. We try to do favorite actress, Genesis. Body pod. Let us bring this on scene. Actually, prepare more. And my specific knowledge. Oh. Anyway, So this is our once a week requirement.
We tried in vain to hold on for far too long. Like two lonely ghosts lost out at sea. Gone all the nights, halfway to wonderful. Lock all the doors and throw out the key. And every little thing kills me. And every little thing it's true.
It's 5:56 p.m. Let's do our matcha! Honestly guys, hindi ko pa talaga na-perfect yung matcha na sobrang green. So this is going to be my third attempt. Feeling ko dahil din sa matcha powder na ginagamit ko, kaya hindi ko ma-achieve yung microfoam. Anyway, I don't mind kasi gusto ko pa rin yung lasa ng matcha ko. I don't know if ano yung problema. Is it my powder? Is it my whisking skills? Or what? Pero hindi siya yung sobrang green. It's okay. Let's try again tomorrow. Anyway, let's clean this. Yung aso ko nag-aamok. Gusto mo rin ba ng matcha?
I spent the summer like in Edinburgh, cutting wires from the inside out. And when I put myself together again, I'm gonna move out of my parents' house. Every summer it's the same.
Hey guys! Today is the next day na. It's currently 3:52 p.m. Let's bake today. Actually, hindi pa ako naliligo. Bala ko kasi mag-walk/jog later pag medyo bumaba na yung araw. So, sabi ko after nun siya ako maliligo. Anyway, first thing to do is mag-brown ng butter. This one is 100 grams. So, tapusin ko lang to and I'll be right back. Ito yung mga kailangan nating ingredients. Brown sugar, white sugar, and then meron pa akong tira nitong dark chocolate chips. And then, ito yung bago kong bili. Yung semi-sweet lang. So, let's try this one. Kailangan natin ng flour, baking soda, vanilla, and salt. Tapos ito yung butter natin. I think okay na yung butter natin kasi meron na siyang mga brown bits sa ilalim. So, ito-transfer na natin siya. Okay, let's transfer it here sa ating mixing bowl. Kailangan muna natin tong palamigin. Hindi naman kailangan ng sobrang lamig, pero dapat warm enough lang siya na kaya nating hawakan. So, dahil ito ay kumukulo pa, set aside muna natin. Ito ka na muna ilalagay yung mga dry ingredients natin. So, ang kailangan natin ay 1 1/2 cups ng all-purpose flour. Of course, I have here a measuring spoon and measuring cups. Sa Shopee ko din to nabili, guys. Bakit pa ako nag-cup-cup? Meron nga pala akong scale. Alam mo, hindi ko rin alam sa sarili ko eh. 180 na lang pala gawin natin kasi baka masobrahan ko na naman siya sa flour. Okay. And then for baking soda, 1 teaspoon. So ito, gaganto ko na lang. Okay. And then 1/4 ng salt. Guys, we're done prepping the dry ingredients. Ngayon din yung butter natin. Tinouch ko siya kanina and nahahawakan ko na siya. So, let's start. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. So, this is 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And then, 1/4 cup ng white sugar. Lagyan na natin ng 1 egg. Oh my God! 2 yolk yung loob. Okay lang ba yun? Considered ba yan na 2 yolk? Oh no. I think okay lang naman yun. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay na ba to? Now, let's put our dry ingredients. Ifo-fold lang natin siya. I'll get 1 cup ng semi-sweet chocolate chips. Okay, I think this one is okay na. Ay, nagugas lang ako ng kamay and then let's mold it. Parang feel ko mas maganda yung dough na nagawa ko this time. Not sure. Parang kulang ako sa flour. Okay, I'm gonna trust my gut. Mag-add tayo ng mga 10 lang. Sabi ko pa naman ayokong ma-overmix. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I-ref muna natin to and then let's see if magbabago ba yung dough niya. I feel like kapag tumigas yung dough, baka umokay naman siya. Currently, 4:44 p.m. Balikan natin siya ng mga 6. Parang gusto ko rin mag-run muna. And then after that, let's shower and then bake. Hey guys, it's almost 6 I think. Maglakad ako sa baba ng condo. I just changed into my workout clothes. Actually, regular pambahay shorts ko lang tong sinuot ko. And then tong workout top is from H&M. Tagal na ito sa akin. Ano pa lang? Senior high pa lang ata ako na sa akin na to. Then, this is my bag for today. Actually, may binili akong bagong running bag. Pero, ko pa siya nakukuha. Medyo maliit siya, so hindi kasya yung phone ko. I mean, kasya, pero very masikip na. Actually, wala naman akong tina-target na steps or what. Gusto ko lang magpapawis for at least 1 hour. Dito na ako mag-warm up sa condo kasi ang daming tao sa baba. Medyo naiya ako. So, baba na lang tayo pag ready to run na or what.
Red eyes, think of me kindly. Kindly they'll take me. I'll be a story. Child you think of. Looking at headlights from inside your window. It's cold in your room. And I'm in the window, losing my shadow. And now I'm 23. There's 3 at your table. Speak to her softly, as if I'm beside her, just like my father. I'll be alright. Undone and I can't forget about it. Undone and I can't forget about it. Undone and I can't forget about it. Undone and I can't.
Oh my God. Look at my face. So sabi ko, di ba wala akong goal Ang gulo pala ng buhok ko. Wala akong goal, pero after kong ma-reach yung 3 km, parang mga 30 minutes pa lang ako. Sabi ko, sige, magwa 1 hour na ako. And guess what? I did 5.3 km today. And my time is 57 minutes. Grabe. Hindi lang yun run, nag-walk din ako. Parang most of the time, nag-speed walk ako. Tama ba yung term, speed walk? Pero yun, hindi ko kasi kayang tuloy-tuloy na 5 km as in run lang. So, naglalakad din ako most of the time. And nag-goal ko lang talaga is magpapawis. And guess what? Pawis na pawis ako. I'm so happy, guys. I think it's my first time na mag 5 km like ever. Gonna take a shower lang muna and then gusto ko nang itry yung cookies natin. It's currently 7:30, so I think okay na yung cookies natin. So mag-bake tayo ng mga siguro 2. Guys, tapos na ako maligo. I am freshly baked. Charot. Gusto ko nang i-check if okay yung binake natin na cookies. I mean, yung ginawa natin na cookies. And gusto ko na siyang matry ma-bake. Actually, guys, parang gusto ko rin mag-matcha. This is our dough. Oh no, sobrang tigas niya, girl. Siguro mga ganito lang kaliit, guys. Kasi last time, parang ang lalaki nung nagawa ako. So, hindi siya maganda nung na-bake. Tada! Ang hirap. Wala akong ice cream scooper. Anyway, guys, magsasalang na ako ng mga 2 pieces lang sa air fryer. What if itong 3 na? Tada! Guys, look. So far, I made 12 pieces. Then, lagyan lang natin siya ng, ito na lang, yung dark chocolate.
When you are all out of words, what is there to say?
Okay guys, we're done with the second batch. So, nakagawa ako ng 11, plus 12, and then meron akong 3 binig. Actually, tapos na siya, guys. Tada! Mas nag-spread siya compared before. Kasi dati talaga as in bilog lang, hindi siya nag-spread ng ganyan. I'm so excited na matikman siya, guys. Kasi pinag-rest ko pa siya ng mga ilang minutes bago natin tikman. Medyo mainit pa kasi siya. Yay! These are my cookies! Ooh! Oh my gosh! Look! Look at that! Mas masarap to, guys. I swear. Mas masarap yung nagawa ko ngayon. I'm so happy. Hindi lang siya mag-focus. Good job, self. Good job.